Subscribe to see more videos from my end and click on that bell to get live notification. Hi guys, wishing you a very happy Christmas. So it's Christmas Eve and we all are getting ready to go out. By the way, हम मुंबई में हैं और मुंबई में everything is बंद after 10 o'clock. मतलब कर्फ्यू है. Okay. So after 10 we can't go anywhere out. So now we're going out. I want to do shopping. Yeah, I want to do shopping. And my sister-in-law is looking sizzling hot. आ जाओ. हम अपने sister-in-law का चेहरा दिखाते हैं आप लोगों को. ये मेरा चेहरा है और ये मेरी sister-in-law. She's looking like hi. आज हम लोग ने एक्सचेंज ऑफर किया है. हम वो सीक्रेट है, हम नहीं बता सकते यूट्यूब पे, पर हम लोग एक्सचेंज ऑफर खेल रहे हैं. So yeah, that's her outfit and this is my outfit. बाद में दिखाऊंगी, फोटोज लेंगे, ठीक है. एंड यू गाइज नो द Santa is too busy wearing socks, but it's okay, I can show you how he's looking.
Yo.
Yeah.
Superman.
He is just not Santa, he is even a bike racer. He is a racer, rider, it's the same thing, no?
No, it's different.
You don't do racing in the bike?
No, we ride one. Racing is different. Riding is different.
समझ गया ना?
वो कल वीडियो लेंगे, आपको दिखाएंगे. We are going to Nashik on bike, 3 bikes, 4 bikes and 3 cars. So Dimple will show you the videos how we ride with full geared up.
With full geared up.
With full gear and high cc bikes. So you can enjoy the first vlog from Dimpy. Mumbai vlogs.
And now we're going out for shopping. दिखाऊंगी शॉपिंग में क्या कर रहे हैं हम लोग, where we are going, what you gonna do. Even I am totally excited. I love shopping. कहीं पे भी जाओ भैंस की आंख पहले शॉपिंग करो. I don't know why I'm too obsessed by buying new clothes. एक बार पहन लिया, पहनने का मन नहीं करता दूसरी तीसरी बार. आपके साथ भी होता है क्या ऐसा? I don't know. मेरे साथ होता है. If I wear it once, I don't feel like wearing it again. कपड़ा हो, ज्वेलरी हो, शूज़ हो. Shoes it's okay, I repeat. कपड़े I wear and then after 3 months I should repeat that. It's like that. 3 महीने के बाद अगर वो रिपीट हो रहा है चलेगा, immediately रिपीट नहीं कर पाती हूँ. I love shopping. Especially मुंबई में बहुत सस्ता है यार, बहुत सस्ता है. My sister-in-law bought new shoes and came. You won't believe. It is like 400 rupees. Let me show it to you all. 100 रुपये का जूता. ये चीज़ अगर मैं चेन्नई में खरीदूँ, it won't be less than 1200, 1500. Let me show you the shoes. Wait. These are the shoes. Good quality. Just for 100 rupees. Can you believe it? In Mumbai. And अगर ये same चीज़ हम चेन्नई में खरीदते हैं, I don't think so it's going to be less than 1002 or 1005. उसके बाद बोलेंगे सेल अप टू 50% और फिर 1005 का जूता मिलेगा 999 में. ये 999 में मिलता. चेन्नई का रेट बता रही हूँ. 100 रुपया मुंबई. वर्थ इट मैन. ऐसे तो 10 जूते खरीद ले हम. So that's why whenever I come over here, I tell, please take me for shopping. You are blessed, my child. चलो, let's go. I'll take you guys out and show you what all is happening and where all we're going. So we have come to a market area where it's overcrowded and it's like an exhibition. I'll show you how it is. See how it is. Mumbai City Exhibition. Whoa. Let's see if I get anything out over here. So this is the food counter. So I'll just show it to you all how it is. The kids are eating. What do you call butte ka bal? So yeah, that's how the sale going on. This whole thing is. So let's go in front to see if we get anything. 200 rupees track pants. Are you serious? Palazzo for $100? These are palazzos? And you can see the bangles. Wow. चूड़ी जो खाने के हाथों में टन 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 याद पिया की आने लगी.
I don't need any toy because I have so many toys in your.
Wow.
Mama,
Yeah, beta. हाँ.
can I need toys because I have so much toy in your.
Wow, this is beautiful.
Mama, I don't need any toy because I have so much toy in my house.
Wow, I like these. These are so pretty. These are extremely pretty, huh? No? Seriously. Pick this up. I don't know. Just felt like picking up. Going crazy these days. Yeah. I'll go mad. Okay, so I'll show you. Oh shit, man. Oh my god. There's like crazy stuff over here. I'll show you guys. Wait. So we have come to the toy store. Sale 150 rupees. The kids are also happy. Show me, guys, what you got. Wow. Itu is going to play with this, and Miara is going to play with this. Boys, not for girls. Okay, I like some stuff over here. I wanted to see. They have makeup stuff that side. Let me see if I like anything over here. You got something? Show.
I took this. To whack both these cheeto bit. Oh wow, very good. Nice.
And look,
Oh,
Wow, wow.
Kolhapuri chappals.
there's like gobble.
Oh, I want to try this. Wow. Nice, something different. ये सबसे छोटा साइज में दिखाइए. हाँ. Okay. I liked it, huh? Something different. What do you say?
दोनों पैर पहनने का आपको?
हाँ जी. I liked even this. White. I picked up some books for my daughter. Story books and story thing. At least she'll have the reading practice plus, reading practice भी हो जाएगा plus storytelling भी हो जाएगा. These are some antique stuff. I love antique stuff. Can you see this? It's filled with antique. मेरे को ना घर ऐसे बनाना जहाँ पे मैं antique stuff यूज़ कर सकती हूँ. Just look at this table. Oh my god. And the chair. ज़बरदस्त. Yo. But now we are heading. But a nice place. Picked up 2 slippers for me. I picked up these bangles which I went mad and I wore it now itself. ये एक दिन पहनूंगी फिर फेंक दूंगी. मुझे पता है मैं कैसी हूँ. I'm weird. I'm weird. मैंने बोला मैं एक दिन पहनूंगी फिर फेंक दूंगी. ये सिर्फ चस्का एक ही दिन के लिए होता है. पहनो और फिर फेंक दो. पता नहीं why I'm like this. But हाँ, I picked up 2 slippers. Okay. There are also 2 days, 3 days I'll wear and I'll throw that also. I'm so weird. Okay. Now we are just crossing the road and heading I don't know where next. जहाँ पे भी मन करे हम वहाँ जाएंगे. Now we are on the way to pick up flavor and hookah na. If we get nice one.
Guys, there ना.
उधर hookah pipe है small no. We see a pipe otherwise.
पाइप क्या तू क्या बेड पे सो के हॉल में रख के पिएगी क्या? तो भी पाइपलाइन लगाते ना प्लम्बर को बुला के. बेड पे ऐसे कर दे. का बाथरूम में रखना और सब.
Oh, Santa Claus.
सब रूम में
Don't
पाइप
you think you're
लगा
talking too much?
चूहा.
Your mouth has become as big as your stomach.
चलाने दे गाड़ी. Yo man yo.
Hey, don't look at my spider toy.
We are heading to pick up the flavors. Tomorrow we're
I
leaving to
need
Nashik.
pani puri
I need pani puri,
And ragda
which I don't feel like eating because I'm feeling very thirsty.
and ragda patties.
मैं इतनी प्यासी हूँ कि मैं खून की प्यासी हो चुकी
I
हूँ.
want pani puri.
इसलिए बोला था कलो पिक्चर मत दे. लक्ष्मी.
You want pani puri?
Yes.
Okay.
See, Mama, I can't take ice cream because inside Mumbai is very cold. My nanny says in Chennai.
Okay.
Your nani says everything.
Yeah. So I'm taking pani puri. Okay, Mama.
You got to say something, Santa.
Okay, Mama.
Okay, Mia.
I'm driving as of now.
And he brought his oxygen tank with him.
Yes,
Yeah.
it's oxygen tank.
गाड़ा है रे. मैं बोलता ऑक्सीजन टैंक. अभी अंदर गया.
He still has his oxygen tank.
This is my oxygen body.
Oxygen body.
My mom-in-law was telling some stories today. So the story was, whoever comes and stay in a house for 1 month, no clothes fit them. So today she bought katora and chawal and chicken, and she was feeding me and she was telling me the story. And I was looking at my body that time. I was like, ऐसा नहीं कि मेरे भी कपड़े fit ना हो. The best part about Mumbai.
बना देता हूँ जिसको चाहिए बना के
She's enjoying pani puri.